Okay, I want to show you a tool I use on my iPad every single day. And what I do with it is I just market some of my business stuff on Facebook groups. It's called Spark. It's an Adobe Spark post program that's on my iPad. And it's a graphics program. It's pretty easy to build little graphics for it. You can do whatever you want. And I already have several graphics built. And I use this primarily to promote solo ad industry, stuff like that. And it's very cool because I don't go crazy with it. You know, some people ask me why did I keep getting banned by Facebook for posting on groups. And what they're doing, and when you really look at them, is they're taking and copying and pasting a little buy my clicks now because I'm cheaper than you, ads over hundreds of groups. And it's just not effective to do that. What I do is it's very straightforward. Is I create the little graphics, and I use Spark Post to actually post them. So here, let's say I have this little graphic right here for solo ad biz. I hit the. You can do Twitter, Instagram, other social networks, but I'm gonna hit Facebook here, and I just paste in my link here to make it easy for people to click on it. Click next, and I pull up all my groups that I have. Okay. Now, I have groups in all sorts of different areas and niches. I don't post to all of them. I come through here and I might post 8 or 9 a day just to make sure that my stuff is getting seen. So let's say I post that here, share. Bingo, done. Now, what's nice about that is graphics are less likely to cause you to get banned. And I'm also not posting them to hundreds of different groups. I do this every day. It takes about 10 minutes, and once a month I might come create a whole new graphic, something like that. You guys have probably seen some of these, like me pointing my finger, a little finger going down on the mouse. It's effective. What we're trying to do, in my case, I'm not trying to sell direct. I'm trying to find dealers to resell for me. But what actually ends up happening is a lot of people go to the page, and the page is the solo ad biz site, and I pick up people who want to just buy direct, fill their own sales funnel. And that's fine. They just get a good price and quality traffic. So anyhow, this is something anybody can do on your iPad or iPhone, or you can actually use Spark on your computer. I think I pay $9 a month for it. It's a cool little program, and it's something that kind of integrates the posting to it. And I think because Adobe is pretty well trusted by Facebook, you're less likely to get blocked or thrown in Facebook jail. It's very, very important to not look at this as I'm going to get 1,000 clicks today. It's more like you're going to pick up 5 or 6 clicks a day and one client potentially out of it. So good tool. Might want to use it yourself.